today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to actually check out your DDR RAM. If you're new to PC and you wanna upgrade and you don't know what version your PC is actually using, this video is the right video for you. So the first step of this is opening your internet browser, whatever you're using to actually browse the internet, and you're just gonna search download CPU-Z for your PC. I already have this, so when you get it to the website, you will see this Android and Windows, and when you scroll down, you will see this the Windows setup for 64-bit and the 32-bit. You can choose between these two, whatever I want. I must get this the setup, or you can get a zip, which is the one below, and you like download this. So I'm only gonna take a second. It's done. Double click on it when it's done. Agree. When it asks you for like admin permission, you agree. I accept the agreement. You have to mark this, create a desktop icon, next install. After it's done, it's just gonna open some things like this. You're just gonna close it and it's gonna be on a PC. This is it right here. You're gonna double click on it. It's gonna need some administration permission, and it's gonna load. Not gonna take way too long when it's loading. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to memory, and as you can see from the memory, you can see the type here. As you can see, DDR3 24 gig RAM, and I'm running dual channel. Yeah, this is my full RAM. I'm using 24 gig. You can even see from the like from the memory. My name is CCG. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, and make sure you hit the like button, and I'm gonna see you next time.